Man, I don't know why I ever thought that would be a good idea. Oh, hey, I'm in the middle of editing a video, but it's been a while since I put a video out, since before Thanksgiving actually, so I wanted to just post a quick update. December has not gone as planned,
I have a plan.
thanks to shiny stuff and the day job leaving me mentally exhausted. More than usual, actually, which has been the theme for 2023, really. But I do have quite a few videos filmed, I'm just trying to get them edited and out before the end of the year. I've got a controversial take on Brian's recent video about the broken smart home, in which I blame Brian and not the smart home companies. I'm hoping to get it out this week, and I hope to finally have my review of the Aqara FB2 out before the end of the year. And speaking of millimeter wave, the team over at RoomSenseLabs wanted me to remind you that the RoomSenseIQ is live on Crowd Supply now. We really haven't talked about this one since my initial video, but I'm still using it, and it's been quite stable and reliable for presence-based automations. And if you haven't been getting updates, they've been working to update its capabilities. I mean, now it's even got air quality sensors and a more modular design, and it's one of the local-only options in the millimeter wave arena. I think their campaign is ending in the next 24 hours, so time is running out if you're interested in jumping on the initial bandwagon. I'm still working on a video about the Everything One presence sensor and the new Mini, but before we get to that, I hope to have some videos covering 5 ways I'm using presence detection, a Matter video covering some of the promising updates I've seen, and an end-of-year video covering my favorite things from 2023. And that's really it for this one. Anyway, I gotta get back to editing this dumpster fire. And if I know you, you need to get back to automating the boring stuff. Yeah, we're just gonna have to toss all of that out.